Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear 4th class students, today discuss about multiplication. Already multiplication chapter completed, but for FA2 exams once again I can explain. Okay. See here from your volume 1 workbook. So everybody open page number 26. Okay. See here. Now some of the problems I can take and explain. See here, 385 into 5 beta. See here, 385 into 5. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. See here, 5 is in 1's place, 8 is in 10's place, 3 is in 100's place. So here 385 is multiplied by 5. First we multiply the digits in 1's place beta. First we multiply the digits in 1's place. So 5 is multiplied with 5, then you can read 5 table, 5 5s are 25. Okay. 25 is a 2-digit number. So here 5 is in 1's place and 2 is in 10's place. Here 5 is taking and write down in 1's column of the product and remaining number 2, that is carrying beta. Now next we multiply the digits in 10's place. 8 with 5. Then 5 8s are 40. Right here. Plus previous carrying 2 is added to 40. Then you can get 40 plus 2, we will get 42. In it, 2 is taking and write down in 10's column of the product and carrying 4 beta. Now next we multiply the digits in 100's place. 3 with 5. 5 3s are 15. Then 4 is added to 15 because 4 is the previous carrying. 15 plus 4 you can get 19. See here, this is the last place of the given number 3. 3 after there is 3, before there is no places. So here you can write 19 where 100's column of the product. Therefore product is equals to 1925. Write down everybody. Completed everybody, raise your hand. Now next. Here I am taking 789 into 79 beta. 789 is multiplied by 79. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. 9 is in 1's place, 8 is in 10's place, 7 is in 100's place beta. First we multiply the digits in 1's place. 9 with 9. 9 9s are 81. In it, one taking write down in one's column of the product and carrying 8 beta. Next, we multiply the digits in tens place. Next, we multiply the digits in hundreds place respectively. 9 8s are 72. So 8 is added 72. 72 plus 8, you can 72 plus 8, you can get 80. In it 8, 0 is taking right down in tens column of the product and remaining number 8, that is carrying beta. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 9 7s are 63. 8 is added to 63. So 63 plus 8. What we get? 71. See here, this is the last place of the given number. Then you can write 71 where hundreds column of the product. Now we can multiply the digit that is 9 with 7 because here 7 is in tens place. So then you can cut it ones place. Now we can start from tens place. See here. Next 7 9s are 63. See here. 63 is a 2-digit number. In it 3 is taking right down in tens column of the product below 0. Then you can write here 3. Remaining 6 is carrying beta. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 8 with 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 6, you can get 62. See here 2 is taking right down in tens column of the product that is below 1. Then you can write 2. Now remaining 6, that is carrying beta. Next 7 7s are 49. 6 is added to 49, you can get 55. So this is the last place of the given number. You can write 55 total. See here. See 1 plus 5 you can write below of the 7. And then you can write 10 plus 5 you can write beside of the 5. Then you can write this like only. Now add it. 1 0 plus 3 3. 1 plus 2 3. 7 plus 5 12. 2 taking 1 carrying. 1 plus 5 6. Therefore product is equals to 62,331. Write down. Now next 501 into 216. Listen carefully better. So first we multiply the digits in ones place with 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 0 0. 6 5s are 30. See here, this is the last place of the given number. Then you can write 13 and its column of the product. Then you can cut it ones place. Now you can multiply the digits in ones place. That is 1 with 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 right down in its column below 0. See here. Next 1 0 0. 1 5s are 5. Now you can cut it tens place. Now you can start from hundreds place. So 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Here 6 1 2 3 plus 5 8 0 1. Therefore product is equals to 1,08,260. Now next one. Three hundred and 78 into 528. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First we multiply the digits in one's place. 8 with 8. 8 is 64. In it 4 taking beta. Write down in one's column of the product and carrying 6 now. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 7 with 8. 8 7 is 56. 6 is added to 56. So you can get 62. So in it 2 is taking right down in tens column of the product and the remaining 6 that is carrying beta. Now next we will multiply the digits in hundreds place. 3 with 8. 8 3s are 24. 6 is added to 24. 24 plus 6 you can get 30. This is the last column of the given number. So last place of the given number you can write 30. Where? Hundreds place of the column of the products. Then you can cut it ones place. Now 8 is multiplied with 2. 2 8 is 16. In it 6 taking right down below 2. That is a tens column. Now here carrying 1 bit. Next 2 7s are 14. 1 is added to 14. 14 plus 1 you can get 15. 5 write down in below 0. So remaining 1 that is carrying bit. Now next 3 is multiplied with 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is added to 6. 6 plus 1 you can get 7. 7 write down below 3. Now next cut it to tens place. The ones place digit that is 8 multiply with 5. 5 8s are 40. So 0 taking and write down below 5. Now here carrying 4 beta. Next 5 7s are 35. 4 is added to 35, that is previous carrying. 35 plus 4 you can get 39. In it 9 taking right down below 7. Now carrying 3 beta. Next we multiply the digits. And then place 3 with 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 is added to 15. 15 plus 3 you can get 18. 18 write down left side of the 9. So then you can write here 18. See here, add 4, 2 plus 6, 8, 5, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 9 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 8, 9, 1. So product is equals to 1,99,584. Now next 5,071 into 125. First write down the given number in column wise according to their places. First we multiply the digits in ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place respectively. So 5 ones are 5. This is a one digit number. You can write as column of the product. Next 5 sevens are 35 beta. Here 5 is taking right down tens column of the product and carrying 3. Next 5 0 0. But previous carrying 3 is there. 3 is added to 0. 0 plus 3 you can get 3 right down. Next column of the product and next 5 5s are 25. This is the last place of the given number. You can write 25. Now cut it ones place. So first we multiply this ones place. 1 with 2, 2 ones are 2. Next 2 sevens are 40. In it 4 is taking a write down where below 3. Then here carrying 1 beta. Next 2 0 0. 1 is added to 0. 0 plus 1 1. Write down below 5. Next 2 5s are 10. So this is the last place. You can write 10 total. So 0 write down below 2 and 1 write down beside of 0. Now next we multiply the digit 1 with 1. Then you can cut it in tens place because 1 is in hundreds place. You can start from hundreds place. See here 1 ones are 1. Write down below 4. 1 7 are 7. 7 write down below 1. 1 0 0 0 write down below 0. 1 5 are 5 write down below 1. Then add it. 5 plus 2 7. 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 8. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 7 13. 3 taking 1 carrying. 1 plus 2 3. 5 plus 1 plus 5 you can get 6. Therefore product is equals to 6,33,875. So now next division beta. See, first one is 49 divided by 7. See here, first observe this is 49 is called as dividend, 7 is called as division. See here, 49 means while you are doing the division problem, first we can compare the left side first digit with division. See 4 is less than, 4 is the smaller number than 7, then we have to take 2 digits from left to right side. Then so you can read 7 table, 7 7 the 49. Okay, see here, quotient QUOTIENT, quotient is equals to 7, remainder is equals to 0. Now next one, see 328 divided by 8 means 328 is taking as divided, 8 is taking as divisor. See here, in the dividends we have to take from left to right side 2 digits because from left side first digit 3 is the smaller number than 8. So we have to take 2 digits from left to right side. Then you can read 8 table. 8 4s are 32. So exactly divisible. 8 4s are 32. Then 32 minus 32 you can get 0. Bring down 8 to the remainder. Then 8 1s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Here quotient is equals to 41 remainder. That is equals to 0. Now here is an 207. See here 207, that is the dividend and 9 is divisor. Okay. So I have to take how many digits from left to right side? 2 digits, because 2 is the smaller number than 9. So I have to take 2 digits from left to right side. Then you can read a 9 table. 9 1 the 9, 9 to the 18, 9 to the 27. 27 is the more than 20. Then I have to take 9 2s are 18. See here 0 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing from 15 gives 10. 10 plus 0 10. 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 8 you can get 2. Now 7 bring down to the remainder. Next 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 27 0. See here quotient that is equals to 23. Remainder is equals to 0. Now next 4178. See here 4178 is divided by 8. So then you can read 8 table. How many digits we have to take from left to right side in a dividend? We have to take 2 digits, because from left side first digit 4. 4 is the smaller number than 8. So I have to take 2 digits from left to right side. Then you can read 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. 8 5s are 40. See here 40 is subtracted from 41. 41 minus 40. 1 minus 0 1. 4 minus 4 0. 1 is smaller number than divisor. Then we have to bring down 7 to the remainder. Then 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 2 the 16, minus 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now bring down 8 to the remainder. So 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24. Then here 8 2 the 16 possible. 8 minus 6 2, 1 minus 1 0. So in a divided there is no number, so you can stop it. You have to write quotient is equals to 522. Remainder is equals to 0 2 means 2. See here 3569 divided by 6. So in a dividend, we have to take from left to right side 2 digits because from left side first digit is 3, 3 is the smaller number than 6, then we have to take 2 digits. So 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. 36 is more than 35, then we have to take 6 5s are 30. 5 minus 0 5, 3 minus 3 0. Now bring down 6 to the remainder 56. See here, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, then we have to take 54. So 6 10s are 60 is more than 56, 6 9s are 54. See 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 5 0. Now bring down 9 to the remainder. See here, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. See here, 30 is more than 29, so I have to take 6 4s are 24. Here, 24 is subtracted from 29, 9 minus 4 you can get 5, 2 minus 2 you can get 0. Here, quotient, that is goes to 594. Remainder is equal to 0, 5 means 5. See here, divide and write the dividend divisor quotient and the remainder for the following divisions. See, 3825 is divided by 7. Then here 3825 is called as divided, 7 is called as divisor. See here, in a dividend, we have to take from left to right side 2 digits because the first digit is 3. 3 is smaller than 7, then we have to take 2 digits from left to right side. Now here 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. 42 is more than 38, so 7 5s are 35 is possible. 7 5s are 35. 8 minus 5 5, 3 minus 3 0. Now bring down 2 to the remainder. Now next here 7 8s are 56, 7 7s are 49. See here, remainder what better here 52. 7 8s are 56. If we take 7 8s are 56, then 56 is more than 52. It is not correct. Now we have to take 7 7s are 49. Now 7 7s are 49. 49 is subtracted from 52. So first subtract one's place digit. Okay. 2 minus 9 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 5. 10 gives 10. 10 is added to 12. So you can last one. 5 becomes 4. 12 minus 9. You can get 3. 4 minus 4 0. I can bring down 5 to the remainder. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 35 0. Here write down dividends. that is equals to 575 dividend is equals to 3825 divisor that is equals to 7 quotient 575 remainder 0. Now next 7021. So 7021 taking as dividend, 6 is taking as divisor. So I have to take in a dividend from left to right side only one digit because 7 is a bigger number than 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 1. Bring down 0 to the remainder. Again 6 ones are 6. 6 write down below 0. Okay. See here 0 minus 6 not possible. Take balance from 1. It gives 10. 10 minus 6 we can get 4. 0. 2. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. Listen carefully. 6 7s are 42. 42 minus 42 you can get 0. Now bring down 1 to the remainder. What do I have to do? See here 6 ones are 6. 6 is more than 1. 6 is more than 1. It is not possible. Then we have to take 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 you can get. Write down everybody here. Dividends. That is equals to 7021 divisor. That is equals to 6 quotient. Quotient is equals to 1170. Remainder is equals to 1. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.